today is day 3. I'm Tisha and I make travel content. So last night I did not close out the vlog. By the time we got in, it was so late. I think it was like 12:30. And by that point, I just wanted to shower and go to bed. So yesterday we did Magic Kingdom. It was absolutely amazing. It's such a different experience from when you're experiencing the Christmas show, because that's exactly what we experienced last time. We did the Christmas show. And just as much as that was fantastic, it was really nice to explore Magic Kingdom just as it is. We did quite a few rides. There was 10 main ones that we wanted to try, and we did 7 out of, or 6, I think. Either 6 or 7 out of the, out of what we had chosen. So we had done the teacups. This is where I'm going to get lost again because I can't remember what else we did. We did the teacups, we did the Progressive Carousel, the People Mover, Buzz, the Space Ranger ride. What else did we do? We did a few more. There was definitely a few more. There were some that I didn't get to video, just simply because I just couldn't get my camera out quick enough. We did Peter Pan. I wasn't impressed with that. Now, it's a cute little ride, but I don't know if it's because it kept stopping and starting, which meant that we didn't have just a nice free flow. However, it just meant that I also realised how short the ride was for the wait that we waited. I think we waited about 45 minutes. And I can honestly say it's not worth waiting 45 minutes for. But we did quite a few rides. We got to watch the parade. I think it's called Parade of Fantasy, which is a really nice parade. It's the first time I'd ever seen it. And I really enjoyed it. It was a great parade, great atmosphere, and we got to sit. We basically sat down almost like an hour before, or an hour and a half before, so we were right by the castle. But it was a great parade. And then we did, sorry, I'm trying to think of how the day went. We did, we watched the fireworks, the Happily Ever After. I did cry, but it's the first time I've seen that particular fireworks show, whereas when I gone the last time I watched the Christmas one, and it was absolutely fantastic. It was an amazing show to watch. I have no complaints about how my day went yesterday. We did look in a couple of shops. Again, at this point, because we went in the shops after the fireworks, it was so busy. My camera had overheated. So there wasn't a lot of footage, I think, from yesterday, because at one point my camera it was so hot yesterday. I think it hit 30, but the humidity was turned right the way up, and my camera just kept overheating, and I didn't want to break it, so I did put it away and didn't take it back out. I did try and get some footage on my phone, so hopefully I can insert those and see how that goes. But it was just a really great day. We tried different things in terms of food. I bought the popcorn yesterday. The make your own one, that was a nice experience, and it was a really nice popcorn actually. I didn't finish it, and it'll probably take me a couple of days before I do finish it, but yesterday was just a really great day. Today we are going to Epcot, and this is our very first time ever going to Epcot. So when we originally came here back in 2006, I was sick, unfortunately, so Magic Kingdom, the first time, I didn't even get to experience it then. And Epcot, we didn't go to at all because I was so sick I couldn't actually do any parks or any more parks. So this is a really nice experience to experience it for the first time, realistically. I might be able to vlog a little bit more. I'm hoping that the camera doesn't overheat again today. It shouldn't do, because there is no parades and there isn't anything that will need to have me constantly out in the park. But obviously, you'll come along with me. I think at the moment they've got the festival, no, the Flower and Garden Festival. I think that's correct. So I'm really excited to see all the stuff that they have there and just experience of the park in itself. But I will see you guys shortly. Come along with me. Have made it to Epcot. This is our first time here, so actually doing the ride share was so different because we got dropped off at Epcot. I was expecting to get dropped off at the transportation center and then taking something over to here, but we got dropped off directly here. This is our first time, as I said. but I'm looking forward to seeing it. I actually can see the ball from here, so it's quite nice. I could give you a view. The ball's somewhere behind this tree. There you go, right there. It's nice and warm out here. It's a good temperature. I can't complain with how the temperature is at the moment, but we're gonna make our way in. Just have made it for security. My mum's still getting her bag checked, but again, if you do come through the security, just make sure that you try and have everything in your hands. Unfortunately, I've got so many battery packs, fans and things like that, it was too difficult to take it all out and just show it, so it was just actually easier for me to go straight through and just tell them. But I did explain to the guy, I know what it is, it's all my battery packs and everything that's in my bag, and he did a very quick check rather than having to do a thorough check and take everything out of my bag. But we have made it through to this part, so we are gonna enter the park, I guess, and you can see the ball. I think the ball's somewhere there, right there, it's just there. Make our way through and get into the parks, and then I think I need to go to one of the shops because we need to return something, and then we will look at the timings for what some of the rides that we've got and see what is the slowest, the one with the least amount of wait time, and do that first. There's only about 4 rides that we want to do here today, so a lot of it is mainly the Flower and Garden Festival that we want to see. So come along with me. So we have now made it through the park. It is so nice to see this. It's the first time thing for us, so we're getting to experience in all its glory. But the ball looks so amazing, and they've got the Flower and Garden Festival parts here. They have Moana and is it Maui? I think his name is, but it's been a long time since I've watched the film, so I don't actually remember the characters, but it looks so amazing and how it's done. I'm really impressed with this. This is going to be a completely new experience for us. So the first ride of the day, we're going to do Spaceship Earth, as it's right here, and also it only has a 20-minute wait. I don't know how well this is going to go in terms of day, and I'm not too sure if you can actually hear me, purely on the basis because it's really windy. So we will absolutely see how this one goes. So yeah, we are now in queue for Spaceship Earth. The queue looks long, but it looks like it's moving quite nicely, so hopefully we should get in it. It's currently 10:43, so hopefully we'll get in it very soon.
The slide doors are remain seated with your hands inside the air and please watch the traffic. During your slow-moving journey, your time machine will slowly rotate backwards and may stop momentarily. For your safety, remain seated at all times. During your slow-moving journey, your time machine will slowly rotate backwards.
This is Spaceship Earth Control. Welcome aboard. On the map in front of you, please show us where you're from while we input your time travel coordinates.
we have just finished Spaceship Earth. That was actually a really good ride. I think if it's your very first time doing it like us, it's a really good ride to do, just to experience it. If I was back here again, would I probably make my way to it? Probably not. But as a first time trying it, it's 100% a really good ride. Really nice ride. And yeah. So we're just making our way to one of the gift shops now. And then we will probably look at the wait times for other rides that we want to do and make our way over to them. It is really windy outside. We're currently in one of the shops in front of Spaceship Earth. Got a couple of ears here. I did want these ones, but when I tried them on, they just didn't suit me. It's the funniest thing. Oh, they've got, is that Mike? Not Mike Wazowski, Sully.
You want a cool hat? I get you a Pluto hat.
A Pluto hat?
Oh yeah.
Why?
Oh, they got some Epcot ones. This is really nice. I don't know how much they are. Let's have a look. Oh, it doesn't say. I'm noticing in Disney that there's not a lot of prices for things, but these are really cool. I quite like these balloon ears as well. They got some hats. It's really nice. Actually, this is a really nice cup. It's silver. It's got Mickey on the side. Again, no price, but if it's anything like the others, no, it might be $29.99. Oh, this cup's really cute. The most magical place on earth. It's $19.99. This one's nice as well. It's got embroidered or embossed Mickeys on them for $16.99. Let's go back this way. I don't want to interrupt anyone doing their shopping. They got some pins.
I like this shirt. Probably a special friend.
Oh, these are really cute. It's got Mickey on the front. Doesn't have a price on it. It has a code, but I can't see the code board, so I can't actually tell you how much that one is. Oh, they got more of this range. They got a few Epcot merch. Oh, this is really, really nice. £95. It's Walt. That is a really nice display statue. They got the ornament. Again, no price. Nope, this is $26.99. It's really nice though. They got some snacks. They got some Mickey popcorn. And then they got your little teddies. Oh, they have Tiana. I'm still debating whether I want her. But really and truly, where am I putting her? But she's really cute. She's very cute. She's $26.99, but she's so cute. So we are currently making our way to Journey of Water and see what that's about, because we have not done this. So I'm kind of excited about this. Oh, here it is. Oh look, these are this part where they make water sounds, or sounds when you put your hands in the water. Try not to get into anybody's way. So we have gone through a journey of water. It's actually really nice. When you watch people's vlogs, it really doesn't do it any justice, and I don't think it will even do any justice on my own vlog, if I'm honest with you, because it is so pretty. Like, they've done such a good job with that. So yeah, now we are currently making our way over to the land so we can ride Living with the Land. It's posted at a 25-minute wait. So we figured while we're at the front of the park still and we're gonna make our way around, let's just get that done now. And it's actually really not that busy in here. It's a really nice temperature. It's got like a slight breeze. There goes the monorail. So yeah, we're just gonna make our way in. We have just come off Living with the Land, which was a really nice ride. Nice to see all the plants and what things grow on what, because there were certain things that I didn't expect to grow. But we are now going on Soarin'. It's posted at a 40-minute wait. So hopefully we can get on that nice and quickly. We've been looking forward to doing this one. Oh, look, my little shadow. But yes, we are gonna ride Soarin'. I'm looking forward to this one.
We'll begin boarding in a few minutes, but first I'd like to acquaint you with some important safety information. When the doors to your flight open, please take a seat. Store all carry-on items in the under-seat compartment. This includes cameras, purses, hats, and of course, these little peoples. Next, fasten your seatbelts, inserting them into the buckle on your right. If smaller aviators don't measure up to the height indicator on the seat, just put the belt through the loop in the center strap before buckling. Nice work, pal. Soon you will be airborne. So if you or your little aviators have a fear of flying or heights, you might want to wait for your party at the arrival gate. Okay, let's review.
Alright, jump
Oh my god. done Soarin' now. That was a really good ride actually. That was better than what I thought it was going to be. The smells, I now see what everyone means in their vlogs about the smells and everything that they have. It was such an amazing ride. We're currently going to make our way over to Canada and see what happens, like see what they're doing there. My aim is to get to the French part is so that I can ride Remy. And that's posted at 50-minute wait. Soarin' was posted at 40 minutes, but that took a lot less time. I want to say we might have been half an hour waiting to get in, so it wasn't that bad. Half an hour is a good time to wait. It's currently 1:20, so if we start making our way over to the different countries, we will start picking up some food. And like I said, it's the Flower and Garden Festival at the minute, so it means we can try a few different things to eat there. I want to say we're in the Canada section, but I'm not entirely sure. However, we have just had a really nice interaction with paging Mr. Morrow. He is really lovely. It was nice to actually meet him. We got a picture. I'll try and insert it in when I get the chance. But yeah, I feel like we're in Canada at the minute. I could be totally wrong, but we're just walking around and then also trying to see what food we can grab while we're here. I was told by, who was I told by? Someone told me today, I think it was the security guard when we first entered, that I need to invest in the Canadian popcorn because it's supposed to be maple syrup. So I'm going to be on a hunt and look out for that today as well. So we have currently got the chicken and waffle from the Honey Bistro. So we're going to give it a quick taste test, but if you're looking for it, it is in this section here. So yeah, we're going to give it a bit of a taste test. Chicken thighs. Nice. Right. What's the flavors like?
Well seasoned, not too spicy. The sauce, you can taste the jalapeno in it.
You can or you can't?
Can.
Oh.
Yeah, it's nice. It's soft. It's not. I think the meat is thigh meat, so it's not breast meat.
Oh, okay, cool.
And the waffle's not too sweet.
Okay, cool. Let's give this a try then.
Still where we were.
I think I got a big bit of jalapeno. Oh, dropping it.
Where you want me to go? What?
I'm not actually that keen on it. It's not my favourite thing. The waffle's nice, but I think the jalapeno for me is what ruins it. But other than that, it's nice, but it's not my favourite thing. I'd probably give it like a 4 out of 5, maybe even a 3.5. And it's just simply because I don't like jalapenos. But yeah, no, not my favourite thing. So we have now finished our food. We are now making it, I think we are now currently in England, which is so funny because this is not what England looked like. It might have done back in the day, but it definitely doesn't look like that now. We also stopped off in Canada and got some maple popcorn. So we've been eating that and it tastes amazing. I now get why the security guard said it's a must that I try it. It tastes so good. But I didn't get it in a souvenir bucket or anything like that because I really don't think I have that much more space left in my suitcase. But we are just walking around each section and seeing what else there is to see. We've seen a few of the flower and garden, like the characters that are made out of the flowers and the stuff like that. Oh yeah, it's a nice day. Still windy, still quite hot, but the breeze makes it ever so slightly easier to bear. So I've just noticed that we are now in, well, all coming up to the French section, and Remy is currently posted at a 65-minute wait, but it is probably the last ride that we've got to do for the day, so we might as well just stand and wait for it now before it does get overly busy and it's almost like a 2-hour wait. I can cope with an hour wait. And to be honest with you, it's very hit and miss because even with Soarin', that was posted at a 40-minute wait and I think we waited half an hour, so hopefully it'll go quite quickly. It doesn't feel too busy in here. Like, it is definitely busy, but it doesn't feel overly busy compared to Magic Kingdom yesterday. So we will see, but this is a really nice view from here. Very pretty. I think we're just hitting the beginning of the French Pavilion.
Suivez-moi, je vous prie. The chef Remy is waiting for you for a dinner.
Here. On n'aurait pas idée, qu'en commun? Non. C'est tout homme? Hey guys, the food is for them, not you.
Please enjoy the rest of your day here at Epcot.
currently in China, and we decided to get the satay bao bun and the pan-fried vegetables dumplings. And we also got the mango boba tea. In terms of the bao bun itself was quite nice, but there wasn't enough of the meat inside the bun. It was okay, it wasn't the best. The dumplings were good. They were really flavoursome. The sauce that it comes with, I can't remember the name of the sauce, but the sauce that it comes with was really good as well. And the boba tea was really good. It's got a slight fizz to it. But we've got about 2 more countries left, I think Norway and Mexico. So we'll try that and see what they've got there. And then probably make our way into World Celebration and see what they've got there. And then we've pretty much done the entire park of walking around it, and then it's just the fireworks later. It's currently 4:15 in the afternoon. So yeah, come along with me. So, you're probably thinking, why is she not in her clothes from yesterday? Well, when I got in, I completely forgot to close out the vlog. So I'm going to close it out this morning and then I'll start a new video to start today. But yesterday we were in Epic. It was absolutely amazing. Now, I don't remember where I ended the vlog or when I last vlogged, but from the afternoon, we did all the rides that we basically wanted to do in the morning. We did Soarin', that was amazing. We did Living with the Land, that was really good, really interesting. We did Spaceship Earth, that wasn't on the list, but it was a 20-minute wait. So that was the first ride that we did in the morning. That was really good. Good little ride to do. What else did we do? We did the Grand Fiesta. Me and my mum said that it didn't really make much sense. We didn't really understand that kind of like the ride, but it was a good little ride to do just to sit down and chill for a minute. What else did we do? I think that was all the rides that we did. Oh, we did Remy. That was a really, really good ride. I really enjoyed that. The graphics was great. The whole ride and the whole experience was really good, and it was definitely worth the wait. And then from there, we kind of just went round to each country and was snacking on a few things. So we had a few bits in China, and we had a few bits in, can't think of the other country now that we had anything. I think at the very beginning, before we hit Canada, we had the chicken and waffle, which you would have seen earlier in the vlog. But the whole experience was great. And then we waited and watched the fireworks, which I believe are called Illuminous. That was a really good display. It's so different from watching the fireworks in Magic Kingdom. And it was the first time us watching this particular firework. But it was really, really good. It was a nice experience. And then the park closed and we left. And it was, again, quite easy to get back. But we actually got back quite early. We got back around 10:30, which is why I think, because it was the first time coming back in so early, that's why I think I just got into bed and completely forgot to close out the vlog. But yesterday was a really, really good day. That was it for all the parks now. So we've done Magic Kingdom and we've done Epcot. So yeah,